I'll be using the Clucking Cute Kitchen 6x6 stamp set that you can find in your box of the month and your junior box of the month for my sentiments today. I'm also using the Fresh from the Coop paper pad to create these super cute cards. Okay, so every now and then I love to get out my laces and trims. We're going to use the hot glue gun today. We're going to use a doily that I had in my stash. And let's see which way I want to face it. I think it doesn't matter. And then I'm just going to add some glue to the center here and some on the points. And I'm just going to center that. I have a scallop circle in the coordinating color there. We have some ephemera pieces. And let's see how I want to arrange my little cluster. I've got a little bow that I'm going to put down here and my sentiment. So we might want to put our bow up here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is glue these three together first. And then we'll have our sentiment right at the bottom there. So once I have that all put together, then we can add some hot glue to the back, and that will stick better to our lace. We got to do it quickly before it dries. And let's get this in the center. I want my sentiment to be centered. Okay, just give it a little press. And then let's decide where we want this bow. We could put that in the center right there. I think I might like it there. Yeah, I think something needs to be up here, so let's go ahead and put that right in the center. And you know what? I think I want to double up my bow. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so let's add the first bow. And then I'm just going to add the second bow, tuck it right in. Alright, so there is the first card using our ephemera, and we're going to do the second one a little bit more clean and simple look. I just cut a bunch of, actually these were all scraps, and I'm going to just put them together like a puzzle, leaving a little border. Be sure to check out Bourbon Creek Crafts. She is Beth here on YouTube. She will be using this collection. So I'm leaving a thin border. So I can't wait to see what she creates. this right there up in the corner. And then for my little images, I picked out this little table. So it looks like the little chicken is doing some work here. And I make sure to put the little basket of eggs to match our sentiment. Okay, so that completes the second card. So cute, so fun. So these are the 2 cards with the ephemera. So much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed that.